Welcome to Tesla Vision. Today, we will talk about the most recent Tesla news and updates. Let's get into it right away. On several occasions, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has stated that his company actually intends to enter the Indian market, and the electric vehicle manufacturer did open a branch in Bangalore last month, a future global tech hub. Tesla's Elon Musk would set up an electric car manufacturing plant in Karnataka, the government of this southern Indian state said during a short formal announcement reported by the India Today media outlet. The declaration was a part of the incentives package outlined in the union budget for Karnataka. Quote, "The American firm Tesla will launch an electric car manufacturing plant in Karnataka," end quote, a state official said. Tesla Motors India and Energy Private Limited were registered by the electric car manufacturer last month with its registered office in the city of Bangalore. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, has tweeted about his intention to enter the Indian market on numerous occasions. In December of 2020, he announced that Tesla would be able to open a plant in India in 2021. India has been keen on reducing its reliance on fossil fuels, as well as significantly cutting down on greenhouse gas emissions. Yet, its attempts to encourage electric car usage among members of the general population have been hindered by a lack of investment in manufacturing and facilities, which includes charging stations. The Indian government intends to give incentives of $4.6 billion to companies setting up advanced battery production factories. Why does this matter? India has been trying to reduce its reliance on oil and to encourage electric cars of late. The entry of Tesla into the Indian market would help achieve these objectives. Furthermore, the tremendous demand holds the same opportunity for Tesla as China does. The cost range of Tesla cars, nonetheless, is beyond the reach of far too many Indians, and there is a high import duty to take into account. However, the involvement of the corporation will stimulate the economic growth and increase the country's employment rate. For the third time, and with much to tell, SpaceX and Tesla's Incorporated CEO Elon Musk spoke on Joe Rogan's podcast. During the Thursday discussion, Musk shared his thought with Rogan about what a Tesla van would look like. Since you have a wide, flat field, Musk tried to tell Rogan that's basically where solar might begin making sense. You could also have a roof where it's solar and then go out and provide shade when it is not in motion and perhaps triple your area or something along that line. Tesla chief assumed the solar panel configuration of an EV van could charge enough where one starts to get 30 miles a day. Why does it matter? The Tesla chief informed the shareholders during the EV giant's fourth quarter earnings call on the 27th of January that Tesla will undoubtedly make an electric van at some point. At first, the concept of an EV van might seem simple, but today's battery technologies and cell supplies are not mature enough for a van to become a reality. Tesla has not even published an EV van timetable yet. Following some recalls earlier this year, the refreshed Tesla Model Y is now hitting the US dealerships. It solves one of the most prevalent gripes listed by owners. Glossy finish has been substituted with a matte finish on the center console. The Model Y's glossy black piano center console is one of the most widely cited complaints from YouTube reviews and Tesla forum entries. Ditto for Tesla Model 3. Though definitely beautiful to look at, it is a fingerprint magnet, easy to scratch, and needs constant cleaning to keep its pristine showroom floor condition. The console has become such a popular gripe that it produced a cottage console cover industry that turned the piano black into a matte black that is easier to preserve. Well, the days of this particular post-market Tesla feature may well be numbered. The latest Model Y refresh crawling into Tesla dealerships emerges with a non-glossy matte black center console, as per reviews from new owners this week. The console is also equipped with a sliding door to replace the preceding design that folded in. The top section at which the phone charger is located also has been modified. Tesla, by all looks, is making changes on the fly, so potential buyers might not understand what changes are going to show up when they actually acquire their new vehicle. Moreover, there is even more confusion between Model 3 and Model Y. Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y are comparable vehicles in many aspects. Therefore, sometimes Model 3 has features first introduced to Model Y and at other times conversely. For starters, the revamped Tesla Model 3 received Model Y stuff like Chrome Delete, a heat pump, and a power trunk. Some of the Model 3 features, including auto-dimming side mirrors and double-pane window glass, were first introduced to the Model Y. The Tesla Semi may well have been delayed for quite some time, but it seems that the all-electric Class 8 truck from Elon Musk will be well worth waiting for. Just as the forthcoming truck draws nearer to large-scale production, it is becoming increasingly obvious that the capacity of the Semi remains vastly overlooked, specifically when it comes down to its batteries and full self-driving capabilities. During the latest Joe Rogan Experience podcast interview, Elon Musk announced that the Semi would be fitted with a 500 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The Tesla CEO did not disclose which version of the Semi would be equipped with the pack in question, while electric vehicle industry speculations say that the battery will be for the 300-mile variant of the truck. Even if this actually were the case though, such an upgrade offers a hint of just how far Tesla has advanced when it comes to its battery technologies. Tesla indicated that the truck would consume less than 2 kilowatt-hour per mile when the Semi was first introduced in late 2017. Considering that the two models of the Tesla Semi are identified with a range of 300 and 500 miles, estimates suggest that the vehicle has a battery pack that is likely to be around 600 kilowatt-hours to 1000 kilowatt-hours. Musk's latest announcement indicates that Tesla has upgraded its batteries to such a degree that to meet its 300-mile range goal, the Semi now requires a smaller battery pack. This may sound like a slight improvement, but there are several benefits of a smaller battery pack, such as lower weight and substantial cost savings in manufacturing. All of this helps make the 300-mile Tesla Semi a viable and competitive vehicle, especially given its approximate base price of $150,000. These benefits, of course, only become more prevalent if one recognizes the strength of the structural 4680 Tesla batteries. The Semi might minimize weight and manufacturing costs even more with the structural batteries in place. The Semi may even be made more rigid by a structural battery that helps it to be much safer than its original iterations. This goes hand in hand with another vehicle update that Tesla listed, and one that is still commonly missed or overlooked today at most. During Tesla's fourth quarter fiscal year 2020 earnings call, Elon Musk reported that the Semi might very well be the first automobile in the lineup of the business that will receive full automation capabilities. This was an argument stressed by both Elon Musk and Jerome Guillen, president of Automotive, who acknowledged that the full self-driving hardware on the Semi would be the same one used in the other automobiles of Tesla. For his part, Musk pointed out that the full self-driving functionality of the Semi would enable Tesla to change the requirements of the full self-driving program due to the large scale of the Semi. Perhaps one point that is seldom discussed is that Elon Musk indicated that the truck was already equipped to use a feature called Convoy Mode, which maximizes performance by enabling many uncrewed vehicles to join a lead crewed vehicle when the Semi was introduced in 2017. If Musk's claims were in fact correct, and Convoy Mode was already possible with the capabilities of improved autopilot in late 2017, then with the complete self-driving beta, such a feature will certainly be highly probable today. This will make it much better to use the Semi than any conventional long hauler, most of which are now operated manually. Combine this with the features of the Semi, such as the 4 electric motors that help deter accidents such as jackknifing, and the new all-electric Class 8 truck has a chance to become one of the safest big automobiles on the highways today. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.